Now we need to see what happens if we're not at equilibrium price and quantity. So in this case, let's say for some reason the price is set at $4. Okay, at $4, what's happening here? Our quantity demanded is now less than quantity supplied. The amount we want to buy at $4 is less than the amount that sellers want to sell. Okay, so in this case, we're just going to have this, I just reproduced the graph at $4. Okay, we want to figure out what's our quantity demanded. We find that on our demand curve. So let's bring this down to our quantity axis. This is my quantity demanded. Okay, at $4, how much do I want to buy? In this case, it's 2. And then we want to bring this over to our supply curve and find our quantity supplied. So at $4, let's bring this down. At $4, we saw our quantity supplied is 4. Okay, so in this circumstance, price is above equilibrium. So if price is above equilibrium, our quantity supplied is greater than quantity demanded. Okay, since quantity supplied, the sellers want to sell more than we want to buy, this is called a surplus. Okay, so what's going to happen with a surplus? Well, these sellers have all this stuff left over, so what are they going to have to do to get rid of it? They're going to have a price reduction. So when we have quantity supplied is greater than quantity demanded, we have this surplus, and that's going to put downward pressure on price. Okay, so when we see quantity supplied greater than quantity demanded, we should then have downward pressure on the price because of the surplus.